This is interesting.
Haywood goes up to all the holes.
This is interesting. This is interesting. Yo, this is probably the only Porsche I would buy. Carbon fiber yellow stitching. Oh, Alcantara. Oh, this is so nice. Look at that headrest. That is sick. Oh, side vents on the bumper. You guys know how I love my side vents.
This or a 991 GT3 though?
Probably this.
Probably more fun.
Yeah, Porsche Boxster Spyder. So the reason why this Porsche Boxster Spyder is in is because we're going to be doing a Clearbra. I'm not really a big Porsche guy, but man, I think I really like this car. Brand new Porsche Boxster Spyder is now complete with our full front end Clearbra. Definitely recommend you getting this if you're getting a brand new car and you want to keep the paint looking new as long as possible. Just because your car is 2 years old, 5 years old, or 10 years old doesn't mean it has to look that way. I get asked all the time, how is the clarity of the film, especially comparing a panel that has Clearbra to a panel that doesn't. This fender here has Clearbra and this door here does not. It looks literally identical. Some brands are a little bit more obvious, but that's why we only use the best brands possible to achieve a result like this.